Every trader gets caught by an unexpected economic release at some point. The GenZTrade Macro Calendar makes sure you're never surprised again. The rules panel at the top spells out exactly how to trade around each event type. High-impact events like FOMC, CPI, and non-farm payrolls skip opening new spreads 60 minutes before and expect moves of 2 standard deviations or more. Medium-impact events reduce size and watch for momentum reversals. Below the rules, every economic event on the calendar, grouped by day. Each row shows the time, the impact level in red or yellow, the release name, the forecast, and the previous value. Today's full schedule, in one glance, before you open a single position. Take a look at this week. Tuesday, June 30th. 2 medium impact prints at 2 p.m. CB Consumer Confidence and JOLTS job openings. Both routine. Trim size, but stay in the game. Wednesday, July 1st gets more serious. ADP employment at 12:15, then Fed Chairman Warsh speaking at 1 p.m. High impact. And ISM Manufacturing PMI at 2 p.m., also high. If you're running credit spreads Wednesday, no new positions from noon onward, and expect a 2 sigma move on the ISM print. OPEX days get their own treatment. On the third Friday of each month, expect pinning to high open interest strikes into the close and an afternoon volatility spike. Unscheduled Fed speakers get flagged too, so you can keep stops tight on long calls. That's the macro calendar. Know what's coming, size accordingly, and never get caught on the wrong side of a print.